waze walula ukumdali mnandi yabulela
Welcome back, reality rewinders, to another video. So as you know, Zola and Jangasa got married this past weekend to his second wife. I feel like they're having weddings every other day. Like, how many weddings more are they going to have? So like, a lot of people had a lot of things to say, you know, on the internet, on the 3 kids out of the 8 that attended. You know, people were saying that, oh no, these kids have betrayed Nozipho, and I honestly don't think the kids, you know. But with some naysayers saying, you know, guys, you don't know how difficult it is to betray a breadwinner. We promised my brother's first wife that we will not talk to the second wife, and they had to attend because obviously it is the breadwinner. And I think that's the case too also, Nalana, because I mean, Zola is the breadwinner. Zola is their biological father. Nozipho was their stepmom. And this also said these 3 had to attend, not because they were forced. After all, they are not Nozipho's biological children, which is true, you know, which is true. And someone else had this to say, that Nozipho Njangasa's children called out for betraying her attending their father's wedding. What's sad is Nozipho's children were nowhere to be seen at the wedding, but only these 3, you know. Coco, who is Nozipho's stepdaughter, seemed quite happy. However, the boys were applauded for arriving late and not even respecting the dress code. Guys, asi pepeni, asi, yeah, sorry, that is what is said.